What's going on, repair gang? And I hate to admit it, ladies and gentlemen, but you've probably seen a few videos on my channel with this Echo GT 225 here. I put a brand new carburetor on it, I put a brand new trigger on it, and we put a brand new trimmer head on it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you, this thing has beaten me. No matter what I've done to it or what I've tried to do, how much money I put in, I put about 50 bucks in, and I still can't get this thing to fire up at all. And in the end, you know, I don't want to spend no more money. You know, it's not even the top of the line Echo. It's not worth it. And it's time to send it to the scrap pile. It beat me. It's beat me. There's nothing I can do. It's probably the piston or something else is wrong with it. I let it sat for too long, and it's just beat me. But we have something. We're gonna send it to the scrap yard, and that'll be the end of the Echo GT 225. This Echo's reign of terror is over. No longer will it torment me anymore. It's time to send it the American way and the Arizona way to the scrap yard. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Give it a moment of silence, because we have to get rid of the Echo. It's the only thing to do. There's nothing left we can do to it. We put a brand new trimmer head on it, brand new handle, brand new carburetor, and the thing still will not run. Still does not run. It's pretty much dead, but it's still, the carburetor's still on there. Carburetor's not on there anymore. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, now I gotta pick it up and actually dispose of it. It will just go into the scrap pile. Let's take a look. Yeah, definitely not gonna start now. Look, there's the coil. I'm wondering if you know what? I think we can, the recoil's still intact. Let's see if it's seized. Oh yeah, it's seized. Jeez, that hurt. You know what? I think we could blow off that side. This whole muffler side. Don't worry, there's no gas in it. But then I gotta pick it up, take it to the scrap yard. Okay. Woo! Woo! Man, this side's still standing. Look at that, that's still. There we go. Try not to hit my GoPro. I got one more shell, let's send it. Actually, I got a lot more shells, but I got some other shooting to do out here. As you see, this is where we all come to shoot. Man, when I tried to pull it, it came back and scratched me up. Oh. Yes, the Echo will haunt me no more. Let's throw it in the car, get rid of it. I'll go load up the rest. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And hey, you know what? I'm just having a little fun out here. But to be honest, this thing was at the point of no return. Hey, the carburetor's still pretty good, actually. Oh, no, it's not. It broke off. And what I'm doing is perfectly legal. And I'm just having fun. I know there's probably going to be... Last video, I shot a Weed Eater brand Weed Eater. And there was so many butthurt people, but you know what? It's repair gang, baby. We have fun out here. I'm gonna throw up some clay pigeons now with the clay pigeon shooter and spend the rest of my day. New video on Thursday. Don't forget to check out some videos over here. And ladies and gentlemen, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and you guys have a beautiful day.